Hi everyone, thank you for watching today, product reviews and challenges. Today we have a headlight restoration cream that we're going to be testing out. We just wanted to tell you a little bit about it before we go and show you how it works. So we were told that you need to use 3 dime-sized drops on the pad here in somewhat of a triangle or diamond shape, 3 dime-sized drops, and then you rub it in. It starts off as yellow, looks a little yellow murky, but you rub it in until the headlights are clear, and this will actually turn clear, and then you use the clean side or another washcloth and you simply wipe it off. It doesn't even take water. It's super easy to use and it increases the value of the car. Let's go check it out. All right, so we're gonna give this a try. 3 dime size drops, and then rubbing in a circular motion. Voila. Break a sweat doing that. Let's see, I think that's good. Definitely dirty.
What do you think?
I mean, they definitely look cleaner. Mine were probably easy 5 years deep and not being cleaned well.